Hello guys, so this video is about how you should study organic chemistry. What is the approach that you should take? Okay, so let me tell you one thing. Organic chemistry is a very lengthy portion in our JMains or Neet syllabus. It's very lengthy. So what we should do is that we cannot memorize every single equation in the organic chemistry in our organic chemistry. So what we should do is that we should learn the mechanisms or just shortcut ways. Okay, even the mechanisms are hard, I know, even the mechanisms are really hard. So what you should do is that you should learn tricks that you yourself make. Okay, don't learn the mechanisms. Okay, you should learn the mechanism for board exam, but in exam point of view like JEE and Neet competitive exams and a lot of other exams, what we have to do is that you have to find your own shortcuts, or the shortcuts available plainly in YouTube. You have to find these shortcuts of how such an equation is formed, and then you can apply it to all the equations under that section. Okay, this type of shortcuts, like let me tell you, in aldehydes and ketones there is one section, right, of amines reaction with the amines, something like that, where we have the 2,4-DNP test and all, 2,4-DNP and the semi-carbazide. Yeah, that types of reaction, they follow a single pattern, as a type of pattern. So if we have the reactant and product, then if you have the reactants, how we can get the product? You have to make your own idea, the connection, and then you can do all the other things in the all the other reactions in the under that portion. Okay, so yeah, so first things you have to memorize. You have to know, you don't have to memorize everything. You don't have to memorize everything. What you should do is that you have to understand the mechanisms one time, and then you have to make your own style of tricks for learning that. After that, you can do all the reactions on your own style. And the second thing that you should do is that you should make a chart with major reactions. That is, there is a single type of reaction and all the other reactions follow that specific mechanism or that specific trick that you made. Now you have to take a chart and write all those type of reactions with the examples. Like for Markovnikov's reaction, you have to give an example. Then the important reactions, you make a chart and put it in your study area. What you will do is that when you do a question and then you look it up, you do a question and you don't know what to follow, you will see that chart, you will refer that chart, and every time you see that chart, it will be registered in your mind. Okay, so it will be very easy for you at the exam hall to recreate that chart in your mind. Many times I was in the exam hall, there are questions like, this is the reactant and this is the, I have given you this, you should make this. There are series of steps with which you can come to this. Okay, so in such problems, what I have done is, at the middle I get stuck. You don't know a particular reaction, you just forget it. Then I stay there and recreate that chart in my mind. So these are all the reactions and which reaction will be correct for this. Yes, this is a trial and error method, but that's how we study, right? So every time we think and recreate the chart in our mind, all the reactions will be thorough. Okay, so this is a method that helped me study organic chemistry throughout my +1, +2 and engineering exams and all. Okay, so do tell me how you like this, how you do tell me about your problems, and if you face the problems you're facing, and I'll check if there is any solutions that I can offer. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day studying. Thank you. Good luck.